Hi, this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign and the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing of the gift given to me by my sister Pamela. It's a gift for my birthday gift and my husband's too. Ayan, dalawa kami. So, dalawa yung gift na i-unbox ko. And before we start, syempre, hindi mawawala ang snack. This is the kuchay pao. Kuchay pao. It's parang veggie. Veggie yan. And the hopya. I think this is mongo hopya. Yeah. Let's eat first and then we can do the unboxing. Okay? So this is the kuchay. Let's try it. I'm going to pair it with water lang. Yan. Kuchay. Sige, try natin, ha? Masarap. Kaya yung aso tumatahol-tahol dyan, humihingi yan ng pagkain. I will give her. Masarap. And this hopya naman, mungguata. It's mainit-init pa when we bought it. Crispy din. Delicious. So this is the kuchay. Yan o, veggie siya. Yan. Yan. Ay, saan ba? Veggie. So, I'll continue eating and then we'll continue the unboxing in a while. Okay? Okay, let's start.
Happy birthday! After 1 month!
Thank you! Thank you for the gift!
Yes.
Let's have our unboxing later! We're going to unbox this one. This is a gift from my sister Pamela. Thank you for this gift! After the snack, it's time to unbox. So let's start unboxing! Si Matakaw, no? Matakaw talaga. Mag-unbox lang, magmimerienda pa. Okay, start na tayo. Remove na natin dito sa plastic. Yan. Yan, yan dalawa. Remove na natin sa plastic. Here. Let us unbox. I think this is his and hers na Let us unbox this one first on the left. Oh, what's this? It says here instant noodle. It's cup noodle. But this is ceramic. Yan it's blue. Because we love to eat paomi. Instant noodle. Oh, what's this? It's like a mug, but yeah, it's for instant noodle. It's a very big tasa with handle na mug like yan. Blue, it's a blue cup, instant noodle cup. And let's look at the other one. Ito naman. Ta-ta-ta-tan. Oh! It's a red one. It's a red one. Yan, yung red akin. Yung blue kay hubby. Yan. This is the other one. His and hers. Instant cup noodles na lalagyan. Ayan, 'di ba? Pag instant, lalagyan natin ng water, hot water, and then we put the noodles here and then cover it. And wait for how many minutes until it's cooked, 'di ba? Ganun 'yon. His and hers. Yan. Ay, baliktad. Yan. Yan. Ay! Nahulog. Yan. Yan. Ano? I hope you enjoyed this video. But maingay ang aking aso. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'm so happy with this mug. And then, I'm going to film something na when I'm using it na rin next time. And, yeah, I'm so excited to use this. It's two. One for me and one for my husband. Thank you, Mom. Thank you for this gift. And I think we will enjoy using it. Thanks for watching. God bless us all. See you in my next vlog. I love you all. Bye-bye.